how to create a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the plus icon you see there at the bottom center of your screen and further select the post option if you want to post a photo or video in your feed. Select the reel option if you want to share short videos, or you can select the story option if you want to make a temporary post, that is 24 hours. For a normal post, tap on the post option. You can then go ahead and choose pictures from your gallery or tap on the camera option to take a picture instantly. You can select multiple photos or videos. For instance, you can simply tap on the square icon in order to do so. Once selected, tap on the next option and you can then apply filters, add music, adjust brightness, contrast, and warmth, or even crop or rotate the image. So go ahead and make any required changes and then tap on next when done. You can further go ahead and add a caption in this interface. You can also use hashtags or you can tag people using @ and their name. You can also add location if necessary. Further, go ahead and tap on the more options option there and you can turn on or turn off comments if you want. You can enable or disable hide like count or you can add alt text for accessibility. Finally, tap on the share button you see there, and with this, your post will be made. So, this is how you can create a post on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.